A utility software is one which provides certain tasks that help in proper maintenance of the computer. The job of utility programs is to keep the computer system running smoothly. Nowadays, many utility software are part of the operating system itself. Even if there is no utility software on your computer, the computer works, but with the right kind of utility software loaded, the computer becomes more reliable and even its processing speed increases. Types of utility programs: file management, program versions, functions related to the files like opening, searching, renaming, etc. For example is Windows Explorer. Image Viewer, tool for quickly viewing, to rotating, resizing, cropping, annotating and printing images. For example is Windows 10 Photos. Antivirus, a type of software that is used to detect the remote virus, is called antivirus software. Antivirus software contain information about different known viruses. They can detect virus and remove them. For example is Windows 10, Windows Defender, Avast Antivirus, Avicii Antivirus. Disk cleanup. A disk cleanup utility is used to research and remove unnecessary files. Unnecessary files may include temporary internet files, deleted files, unused program files, cache data. For example is CCleaner, Avast Cleanup, Storage Sense. Disk scanner. Disk scanner is used to detect logical and physical problems of disk. All operating systems provide disk scanner to manage computer disks. In the maintenance of file systems, defragmentation is a process that reduces the degree of fragmentation. It does this by physically organizing the contents of the mass storage device used to store files into the smallest number of contiguous regions, fragments, extents. It also attempts to create larger regions of free space using complication. To impede the return of fragmentation, some defragmentation utilities try to keep smaller files within a single directory together as they are often accessed in sequence. Defragmentation is advantageous and relevant to file system on electromechanical disk drives, hard disk drives, floppy disk drives, and optical disk media. The movement of the hard drive read-write heads over different areas of the disk when accessing fragment files is slow, compared to accessing the entire contents of a non-fragmented file sequentially without moving the read heads to seek other fragments. Backups and restore utility, used for recovery in the event of data corruption, hard disk drive flush, or malware infection. Backup. Backup is creates copies of data and allows restoration from copies. Full backup. Full backup is all data backup up whenever selected. Incremental backup. Just data created after previous backup is copied. You may run a full backup initially, then incremental periodically. A full backup is slow to create but fast, straightforward to restore. An incremental backup is fast to create but slow to restore, as each version needs to be restored sequentially.